Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show you how to read your capacitor to know if your capacitor is still up to standard or it's not up to. So here I have my multimeter. This is multimeter. In here I could go on voltage, DC, ohms, and just my regular reading, and microfarad. I could do amps and sensors and Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set this to microfarad. So that's what I want to read because my capacitors are measured in microfarad. So here it says 10 UF plus or minus 10%. Okay, so that's, I want to make sure if I can get up to 10 UF. So now that I've set my my multimeter to microfarad, so I'm just gonna, this is one of the leads, so I'm gonna hook one here. Okay, so which is hooked there, so I'm gonna read the other one. We'll see what the meter is reading. Okay, give it a couple seconds. So it said 08, which is 8.04 microfarad. So 0.4 microfarad is not up to the stated microfarad. So it said 10 UF plus or minus 10%. So 10% of 10 is 1. So if you take off 1 off 10, so we should be looking at 9 UF. So the manufacturer of this the capacitor says, oh, if you get up to 9, you're still okay. But now we're not getting up to 9. So it means this capacitor is done. Okay. So again, you can visually look at a capacitor, but visual will not really tell you whether it is good or bad. If you look at it, sometimes you see some acid or liquid kind of showing up from the terminal, so that means it's almost busted. So if I try to push it, you see also that it's swollen a little bit. So, but would that be the cause of my condenser fan not coming on? Well, I won't say yes or no, but again, this is bad. So even if the condenser fan is bad, we still have to change this guy. But this could be the problem. So however, I'm going to get a new capacitor, and then we'll read it and see how it works. Okay, so here's my new capacitor from the box. This is from Lennox. Sometimes I store some Lennox parts with me just to ease my job. So here is the new Lennox 10 UF, okay, 10 microfarad. But here it said plus or minus 5%. Okay, so if that comes to plus or minus 5%, then that is bad. So let's read it and see what we're getting. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. This is 10.35. 10.35. So that tells you this capacitor is okay. This new one meets the standard, so it has exceeded it by 0.35 or 3534. So it means this is very, very good. So we'll put this in and we'll see whether if the condenser fan is gonna come on. Thank you.